Students, and welcome to the video class of the chapter binomial theorem. In last class we discussed the topic combination and some problems. Before that we should do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Actually, before going to topic, that is binomial theorem, let's discuss about the meaning of binomial. The meaning of binomial expression. Actually, what is meaning of binomial expression? The expression contains only two terms. Is called binomial expression. So, what is binomial expression? Binomial expression. The expression contains only two terms. What do you mean by binomial expression? The expression contains only two terms. The expression contains only two terms. The expression contains only two terms is called binomial expression. For example, that is a plus b. This is expression of two terms. This is binomial expression. A minus b, it is binomial expression. A plus b power 2, a plus b whole square, it is binomial expression. A minus b power 5, it is also binomial expression, etc. The number of terms in the expression is 2, then this is called, then the expression is called binomial expression. Very interesting. You know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is here 1? What is here 1? What is 1 to 1? Here 1, 2, 1 are called binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficient. Okay. Similarly, suppose you are, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here 1 minus 2 1 are binomial coefficients. Now a plus b whole cube, that is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is here 1, 3, 3, 1 are called binomial coefficient. Like this, what is a minus b whole cube? A minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here 1 minus 3, 3, minus 1 are called binomial coefficients. We know up to what? Up to freely we know, and freely we know a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Then what is a plus b whole fourth dash? A plus 5, a plus b to the power 5 is this. Okay. Up to we can freely say a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. But how to expansion of a plus b whole fourth? It takes little bit time, because we try to do a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, then calculate it. It is difficult, and the fluents of saying will be stop here. If one can ask you what is a plus b whole to the power 7, then your fluent will be stop there. To overcome this difficulty, to find the binomial coefficients, one method is applied. That method is called Pascal triangle method. P scale, that is, we can P remains same, scale size P scale means what? Pascal triangle method. One thing observe here, the power of A starts from A, then decrease by 1, and the power of B increase by 1 gradually. Here A minus B same thing, but alternate plus minus sign present. The sign is what? The sign will be alternate plus minus minus. If minus sign present here, then the expansion of this binomial expression followed by the rule plus minus sign. Okay. Now to find the coefficient of binomial expression, one method is adopted. That method is called binomial. That method is called Pascal triangle. Okay, Pascal triangle. What is now? Let's discuss about Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle method to find. What is Pascal triangle method? It is the method to find. It is the method to find the coefficient of binomial of a binomial expression. It is the method to find the coefficient of expansion of a binomial expression. It is the method to find the coefficient of binomial expression. Now, it is the method to find the coefficient of expansion of a binomial expression. The method is as following. This is index, and this is what? Binomial coefficients. coefficients. Now index means what? Power. Index means what? Index, or we can say power. A power is 1. A power is 1. Then write 1 1 extreme. Write 1 1. Means what? Example, a plus b to the power 1, that is a plus b. What is binomial coefficient? Binomial coefficient 1 1. So write 1 1 here. Now this is power n equal to 1, n equal to 2. Again write 1 1 at the extremes. Side रे 1 1 लिखिबा, तापर ए दुटा ऐड करो. ए दुटा ऐड कले केता आसी 2 आसी. तो आम ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला कौन थी? ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर होची ना. तो बाइनोमियल कोएफिशिएंट केता अछि 1 2 1. हियर आल्सो 1 2 1. दिस इज टेक्निक. नाउ n equal to 3. Again write at the extreme 1 1 and add this. Add this. This is 1 plus 2. This is 3. Again add this. This is what? 3. Now this is 3 and this is 3. So what is a plus b whole cube according to Pascal triangle? That is a plus the एट ऑब्जर्व करो जिते पावर देछि सेते पावर फर्स्ट टर्म आरंभ हो. एट पावर के 3 देला. तो बाइनोमियल कोएफिशिएंट 1 3 3 1. सो a क्यूब तापर बाइनोमियल कोएफिशिएंट केता अछि 3. तो 3 इनटू a रो पावर गोटे कमिबो, b रो पावर गोटे बढ़िबो. b पावर 0 थिला एडी फर्स्ट टर्म किछ नाही, b पावर 0 थिला किछ नाही. तो एट हबो केते a स्क्वायर b. Again binomial coefficient 3. So this will be what? 3ab square. A रो पावर डिक्रीज होची, b रो पावर इंक्रीज होची. Then finally 1 अछि binomial coefficient. तो that is a रो पावर सरी जाउची, b रो पावर या से तो इक्वल होची. Suppose the question will be what? a plus b, a minus b whole cube. Suppose minus, if the question is minus a minus b whole square, then a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square minus b cube. Clear? Again, if n is equal to 4, n equal to 4, again if n equal to 4, write 1 1 at the extremes. Side रे 1 1 लिखिबो. Add this. This is 4. Write 4 here. Add this. This is what? 6. Write 6 here. Add this. This is 4. So what are the binomial coefficient here? That is, suppose the question is what? a plus b whole fourth. a plus b whole fourth is equal to what? a to the power 4, then 4 into a ର power decrease होबो 1. तो 4 थिला a क्यू होबो and b total balance power होबो. देखो एडी power 3, b ର power 1 ऐड कले 1 होबो. एडी b to the power 0 into 3 3 होची. एडी a ର power 1 एडी b ର power 2 3 होची. तो सिमिलरली एडी पावर कौन हो टोटल डिग्री 4 हो. a क्यू माने b रो पावर 1 रहइबो. देन 6 into a square b square. देन 4 into a b क्यू plus b to the power 4. Similarly, n equal to suppose 5. n equal to suppose 5. Write exactly this same method. Add this. This is what? This is triangle shape. This is triangle shape. So this is called Pascal triangle. Add this 1 plus 4 5, 4 plus 6 10, 6 plus 4 10, and 4 plus 1, that is 5. Again like this, add this, so this will be like this and this is like this. So what is a plus b? Suppose what is a minus b whole fourth? A minus b whole fourth means starting from plus sign a fifth, then minus. Here that is 5. 5 into a ର ପାୱାର କମିବ ଯେତେ b ପାୱାର ସେତେ ବଢ଼ିବ, 1 କମିଲା b ର ପାୱାର 1 ହେଲା, ପ୍ଲସ୍ 10 into a cube b square minus 10 into what? A square b cube plus 5 into a b fourth minus b to the power 5, minus b to the power 5. This is the procedure of binomial coefficient, to find the binomial coefficient using Pascal triangle. If the question will be what is find, suppose find or expand using Pascal triangle, expand a plus b whole to the 6 using Pascal triangle. We have to do up to what? N is equal to 5, n is equal to 6. This is question. You do like this, and for n is equal to 6, what will be here? 1 and again 1 here. So add this, this is what? 6, this is 15, this is 20, this is 15, and this is 6. This is 6. So कौन होची देखो. Now solution is what? Now the solution is a plus b whole is equal to, the coefficient is 1. So this is what? This implies a plus b whole 6 is equal to a6 plus 6 into a fifth b plus 15 into a fourth b square plus 20 into a cube b cube plus 15 into a square b fourth plus 6 into a b square, a b to the power 5 plus b to the power 6. This is the expansion of the a plus b whole to the power 6 using Pascal triangle. Using Pascal, this is the expansion of a plus b whole to the 6 using Pascal triangle. Okay. Now this method is difficult because if the index increases, then this is difficult to expand the binomial expression. So to overcome this defect, to overcome or to rectify this difficulty, and one method is applied here, that is binomial theorem. Binomial theorem is the formula to expand any type of binomial expression, any power of binomial expression. Now binomial theorem statement, binomial theorem statement, binomial theorem statement, that is statement a plus b whole to the power n, a plus b whole to the power n is equal to nc0 a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 plus dot dot up to suppose NCR here. So NCR a to the power what? A to the power n minus r b to the power r plus dot dot up to NCN b to the power n. We know what is where, that is here NC0, NC1, NC2 dot dot NCR dot dot up to NCN are the coefficients, binomial coefficients, binomial coefficients, binomial coefficients, binomial coefficients. Now what is NC0? NC0 is equal to NCN is equal, both are 1. Now what is NC1? NC1 means what? NC1 is equal to N. NC2 means N, tapar comma minus 1, N minus 1 by 2 factorial. Similarly NC3, what is NC3 here? Similarly what is NC3? NC3 means N into, NC3 means N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 divided by 3 factorial, etc. Now what? This formula is applied for, that is what is a plus b whole to the 100. You can write applying this formula. Okay. Now first term is starting with a to the n, and the last term is what? Last term is b to the power n. The power of, at the last, the power is b to the power n. Now observations and some notes or observations from the binomial theorem. Here NC0, NCN dot dot like this. Note the power of, that is in the expansion of, in the expansion of a plus b whole to the n, the power of a starts from n, then gradually decreased by 1 and finally it becomes 0. Finally it becomes 0. It becomes 0. Similarly the power of b starts from, similarly the power of b starts from 0 and gradually increase by 1 and finally it becomes 'n' and finally it becomes 'n'. Note 2, what is the degree of, degree माने जो पावर जा ऐड करिवो, एडी n-1 अछि a र पावर, एडी 1 अछि b र पावर, ए दुटा ऐड कर दियो केता होछि n, एडी b टू तो किछ नाले b टू 0 अछि, 0 प्लस n होछि, एडी रहि जाय छि b टू द पावर b स्क्वायर अछि, एडी b स्क्वायर, एडी 2 पावर अछि, एडी n-2 अछि, ऐड करले केता होछि n होछि. The degree of each term, the degree means what? Sum of the powers. The degree of each terms is n. The degree of each term is n. सब term रो degree n हम. आउट एग्जांपल को देखो ना अच्छे हमारा a plus b देखिए a plus b होल क्यू अच्छी देखो a plus b होल क्यू तो आमे देखिबा कौन फॉर्मूला अच्छी ना a क्यू प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस केते 3ab स्क्वायर प्लस केते b क्यू अच्छी ये हला nc0 एटा nc0 एटा केते होची nc1 माने 3c1 एटा केते होची 3c2 एटा होची nc3c3 होची तो एटा 3 अच्छी एटा 3 अच्छी तो देखिबा इक्वि डिस्टेंस रे बाइनोमियल कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल होची इक्वि डिस्टेंस रे बाइनोमियल कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल होची तो हियर द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ इन द एक्सपेंशन the equidistance binomial coefficients are equal. In the expansion, the equidistance means equal distance. Equidistance binomial coefficients are equal. आउ कौन ऑब्जर्व करि परिबा आउ ऑब्जर्व करि परिबा नंबर ऑफ टर्म केते तो देखा a plus b होल क्यू मीन्स a क्यू प्लस 3a स्क्वायर प्लस b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर प्लस b क्यू जदि पावर 3 अच्छी नंबर ऑफ टर्म केतला 1 2 3 4 एपट देखि दियो देखौ सपोज रफ वर्क दिस इज a plus b होल स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर सो नंबर ऑफ टर्म केते पावर 2 थिला नंबर ऑफ टर्म केते 1 2 3 सिमिलरली number of term in the expansion of a plus b whole to the power n is n plus 1. Number of term is what? N plus 1. Number of term is what? N plus 1. Now another observation, that is observation number 5, that is observation number, this is first, second, third, fourth. Okay, and now fifth observation is note number 5 is what? Note number 5, that is note 5. This is what is there? That is a plus b whole to the n is equal to nc0 a to the n plus nc1 a to the n minus 1 b plus nc2 a to the n minus 2 into b square plus dot ncr a to the n minus r b to the power r plus dot ncn b to the power n. टिके मार्क करे ठीक ए जा होची टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म t1 nc0 थिला बळे t1 होच टर्म 1 होच एडा होच सेकंड टर्म t2 nc1 थिले t2 होच nc2 थिले t3 होच ncr थिले केता हबो ncr थिले केता हबो एडिट 1 थिले 2 होची सेकंड टर्म होची nc2 थिले थर्ड टर्म होची ncr थिले केता देखो 2 थिले 3 होची ncr थिले tr plus 1 हबो this is called general term now general term in the expansion of now the general term the general term in the expansion of a plus b whole to the n is given by tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a to the n minus r b to the power. This formula is used to find the particular term. This formula is used to find the particular term. Now we'll discuss about the number of terms, the problems related to the number of terms. Now find the number of terms in the expansion of x plus 1 by x whole to the power 10. Solution 1, number of, since it is binomial expression, so number of terms is equal to n plus 1. Here n is equal, that is here n equal to n plus 1, that is equal to 11. Number 2, solution of number 2, number of terms is equal to 16 plus 1, that is 17. But in case of third, it is not in binomial expression. Now try to convert it to binomial expression. So this is x cube plus 3x plus 1 3 by x square plus 1 by x cube 1 by x whole to the power 20. This can be written as x plus 1 by x whole cube, na? Because this is x cube plus 3x square into 1 by x here plus 3x into 1 by x square 3, this is 1 by x here, not 3, this is 1 by x. So 3x into what? 1 by x square, and this is what? 1 by x cube whole cube. So this is to the power 20. So a cube plus 3ab plus 3ab square. This is 3a square b, this is 3ab square is equal to a plus b whole cube. So this is x plus 1 by x whole cube power 20. So x plus 1 by x whole to the power 60. Therefore it is binomial. It is binomial expression. It is binomial expression. It is binomial expression. Therefore number of terms is equal to 60 plus 1, that is 61. Now notes regarding number of terms. Now notes regarding the number of terms. Number of terms, mark here, that is what? What is a plus b plus c whole cube? Number of term is what? A plus b plus whole cube number of from a square a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Number of terms is what? 3. And what is a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus what? 2ab plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is number of term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. तो फॉर्मूला हूँ ऑब्जर्व करवा देख ये n प्लस 1 वैल्यू कम दबनी जेहेतु यहाँ बाइनोमियल ना यहाँ हूँ ट्राइनोमियल 3टा टर्म अच्छे ट्राइनोमियल तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म के हम ना एमती हम देख आम बाइनोमियल थे n प्लस 1 हूँ c1 कौन पाई n प्लस 1 c1 मान n प्लस 1 ट्राइनोमियल आसरे n प्लस 2 केते नंबर टर्म अच्छी एक्सट्रा ए से तो 2टा तो n प्लस 2 c1 n टा केते इट अछि कहले मते n is what, n is power here, so 2 plus 2c1 that is what 4c 4c n plus 1c1 here, तो ये हम n plus 2c2 सपोज 2 हेले 4c2 केते होछि 4c2 माने 4 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाय 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल ये होछि 24/4 6 आछे ना ठीक अछि। तो ए टेक्निक मिलला में जदि n प्लस देखो ए अछि a प्लस b पावर n थिले केतना प्लस अछि दुटा प्लस ए से तो गोटे टर्म माने a प्लस केते अछि गोटे टर्म अछि, तो फार्मूला है n प्लस 1 c1 a प्लस b a सहित केतना टर्म ऐड अछि दुटा n प्लस 2 c2 एटा होछि नंबर ऑफ टर्म। तो लिखिबा number of terms in case of this is binomial, that is multinomial expression, that is suppose here a plus b plus c which cannot be converted into the binomial expression power n is equal to a से कितना टर्म ऐड है दीटा, तो n plus 2 c2 ओके, where a plus b plus c cannot be converted into binomial को कन्वर्ट करि पानुथिबा से केस रे डापला हो। सिमिलरली सपोज देथिबो a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot dot up to am whole to the power n, तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म केते होबडी ए नंबर ऑफ टर्म, दिस इज नंबर ऑफ टर्म, दिस नॉट इक्वल टू दिस इज नॉट, नाउ नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज number of term of a plus b plus c whole to the power n, number of terms of a plus b plus c whole to the power n is n plus 2 c2. Now number of terms in the expansion of number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot dot am whole to the power n is n plus m cm. This is number of terms for multinomial. Okay, now the question is, what is number of term? What is the number of terms in the expansion of x square plus 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1 by s cube whole to the power 4. Solution is, so answer is number of terms is equal to what? This is number of terms added here is what? This is what? This is a to the power m plus 1, this is a to the power m plus 1, this is am. Okay, so total term केते अछि m टा term ऐड हे अछि, एट m plus 1 हबो, एट दीटा term होछि, तो n plus 2 c2 एट m plus 1 to up to केते m plus 1 आको छाडले m टा term रहला, तो n plus m cm एको छाडले केते term होछि 1 2 3 गोटे छाडी के 3 term रोछ। नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, फार्मूला हबो n plus 3 c3, n टा केते 4 plus 3 c3, that is 7 c3 एट एक्सपांड करी वैल्यू काढो, that is 7 c3 means 7 into 6 into 5 divide by what, divide by 3 factorial, divide by 3 factorial, 3 factorial माने केते 6, तो that is 35, number of term is 35. number of term is what? 35. Notes. If n is odd positive integer, then number of terms in the expansion of a plus b whole to the n plus a minus b whole to the n and a plus b whole to the n minus a minus b whole to the n is what? n plus 1 by 2. I think term was the orders. If n is even positive integer, then number of terms in the expansion of a plus b whole to the n plus a minus b whole to the n is n by 2 plus 1 number of terms, and number of terms in the expansion of a plus b whole to the n minus a minus b whole to the n is n by 2. Now some questions regarding to this concept. What is the number of terms? Some questions. What is the number of terms in the expansion of? What is the number of terms in the expansion of? Question is, what is the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b whole to the power 15 plus a minus b whole to the power 15. First bit. Second bit, a plus whole to the power 21 minus a minus b whole to the 21. And third bit, the second bit, third bit, that is a plus b to the power 20 plus a minus b to the 20. And fourth bit is what? A plus b 10 minus a minus b whole to the 10. So this is question, that is number of terms in the expansion of. First question is a plus b whole to the 15 and a minus b. Here n is what? Odd. So number of term is what? N plus 1 by 2. For this the formula is what? Number of term is n plus 1 by 2, that is 16 plus 1 by 2, that is 15 plus 1, that is by 2, that is 8. Here number of terms, same concept, n plus 1 by 2, 21 plus 1 by 2, that is 11 number of terms. Here n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1, that is 10 by 2 plus 1, that is what? 20 by 2 plus 1, that is 11, number of terms 11. Here what? N by 2 terms, that is n is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5 terms here. These are the concept regarding to what? Number of terms. How to find number of terms in the expansion of this term. Okay. Now how to find the particular terms in the expansion of the binomial expression. Now question, how to find the particular terms. Find the fifth term in the expansion of. Solution. x plus 1 by x to the power 10, and find what the question is, find the fifth term. Fifth term, we know the general term is equal to, that is t r plus 1 is equal to NCR a to the power n minus r, b to the power r. For this, here n is equal to 10, and to find fifth term. So T5 this can be written as T4 plus 1. So 10C4 a माने के तो a x to the power 10 minus 4 into b माने के तो 1 by x b to the power 4, that is 10C4, and this is x to the power 6 into 1 by x to the 6 4. So this is 10C4 into x square. This is the what? This is the fifth term, or we can find this is what? 10 into 9 into 8 into what? 7 divided by 4 factorial into x square. 4 factorial means 24. So this is what? 24. This is 10 into 9 into, calculate this. You calculate this, okay, calculate this value and write this value, the coefficient of x square. So now this is solution of 1, now solution of 2. Find the seventh term in the expansion of, solution of question number 2. Find the seventh term. Find the seventh term in the expansion of solution of 2. What is given here, that is x square minus 1 by x square, x whole to the power 7, not 7, that is 12. N is equal to 12. We have to find T7. T7 means what? T6 plus 1, that is n means what? 12C. R means this is r plus 1. R is equal to 6 here. So 12C6. A means what? X square. X square whole to the power 12 minus 6, and b माने के तो b माने minus 1 by x whole to the power 6. So calculate, this is 12C6 x to the power 6, and this is minus 1 over 6 means plus 1 by x to the power 6. Calculate this. This is 12C6. Calculate this. Now this is homework for you. Find the fourth term. Question number 3 is homework for you. Question number 3 is this is homework. Now how to find the middle term of the expansion. In next class we will discuss how to find the middle term of the binomial expansion and how to find the coefficient of the particular powers of the variable, how to find the coefficients. Thank you, have a nice day.